Hi, my name is Suzanne from Susie's Handmade Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to do the knit stitch. So let's get started. I'm using a 8mm knitting hook, and I'm using some bulky yarn from Loops and Thread. It's Charisma in a pretty purple color. So I've cast on 22 stitches, and so now I'm going to start with my working yarn, and I'm going to put my yarn through the first stitch like this, and I'm going to wrap the yarn around, bring it through like this, and then I'm going to bring the hook back through the front, and then I'm going to take those off the hook. And this is your first knit stitch. Now you're going to go back over to the row of cast-ons and go through the front, bring the working yarn around through the middle. You're going to take the hook and go through the front and pull both the stitches off. So now you have 2 knit stitches on your hook. Now you're going to go into the next stitch on the hook. You're going to go through, and you're going to pull your next stitch off. So now we have 3. So what we're doing is our first row. Next we're going to go into another stitch with another and come through, and off we go. Now continue going through the front like this. Wrap your yarn around and take them off. And another. And this is how it should start to look. Back through the front. Pull the yarn around and through. And then take it off the hook. Back through the front to create that cross. Pull the working yarn through the middle. Take it off the end. There we go. Okay. We have 3 more stitches. Okay, we've just completed our first row of knit stitches. And it should look, there's your weaving yarn, piece of yarn that you'll be weaving in later. And your row should look just like this. Okay, now on to our second row. So you turn it around. Okay, and we're going to get started with the second row. So we're going to take our hook through the front like this. We're going to pull that working yarn around through the front. And then pull that stitch off the hook. Go through the second one. And continue this across the whole row. I think you're well on your way now. If you have any questions, just leave me a question down in the comment box and I'll be glad to help you. If you enjoyed this video, how about giving me a like? It would help me out. And if you would like to see more of my knitting videos or more crochet videos, how about hit that subscribe button? And I hope you have a great day.